Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. Today I'm at a house in Dixie Springs in Hurricane, Utah. This is a brand new home. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an attached 2-car garage with an attached RV garage. The RV garage is 23.5 feet wide and 55 feet deep. The RV garage door is 18 feet wide by 14 feet tall. As you can tell from up here, you can see some exposed aggregate concrete accent strips, and we'll go in and take a look. As I'm coming to the front here, you'll notice instead of the exterior lighting fixture sconces, they did the under eave mini can lighting. It's a mixture of the synthetic stucco and the rock. And then this builder always puts the block walls on 3 sides. Here's a closer look at that exposed aggregate concrete, and then the 8-foot tall by 42-inch wide entry door, the transom window above, and the side lights on either side. Okay, and here is the entryway. Tall ceilings. Right here off to the side is a coat closet. It has the 8-foot tall doors. They call that casing with pediment head, and then it's a 6-panel door. And coming, as you walk in directly in from the front door, you come into the great room. You have the gas fireplace with the built-in cabinets on either side and the floating shelves. And there is a Smurf tube to plug in your TV and such, and then run that down into one of the cabinets. And then it has the coffered ceiling with the stained gray beams and the white shiplap in between. And it's a 3-tone paint, so your baseboard casing is white, your walls are worldly gray, and then your ceiling is white as well, but it's more of like an eggshell or a flat. And then these are Naughty Alder custom cabinets. They go floor to ceiling. You have your granite countertops with the 6 cm edge here and then the 3 cm edge there. It's called a travertine silver backsplash. Stainless steel appliances. You have the cooktop with the vented range hood, so it does suck the smoke out to the outside. Your wall oven and microwave there. And this is the corner pantry. You could see from a distance. It's just kind of a little pantry where you can put your mixer, toaster, coffee maker, things of that nature. And then it has a floating shelf in here as well. And then that's a closer look at the wall oven, microwave, cooktop. And then it does have the under cabinet lighting too. I don't know if you can kind of see that shooting right there. And then this is a composite sink. Oh, got a couple pieces of paper in there. So here's another look of the great room area. And then over here into the dining nook, you have the white brick kind of accent wall. And then you have your barn door with and that takes you into the pantry, the large storage pantry. Couple outlets in there in case you want to put a fridge. Here's an angle this way. And then the blinds right there in the door, they're inside the glass, so you don't have to dust them or whatever. They go up and down, and you can open or close them. Here's another shot of the kitchen. This cabinet style is I think I told you it was a Naughty Alder with a dark walnut stain, and then it's a shaker style cabinet. So okay, and then coming into the master bedroom, it does have carpet. The rest of the house is the LVP. And it does have the coffered ceiling with a couple stained grade beams and the ceiling fan and the can lights. And once again, another barn door. Here's another angle of the master bedroom. And you'll notice that wall there is a shiplap wall and it's cased in. And then right there is the thermostat for the entire house. It's a Nest. Okay, and then walking into the master bathroom, there's your jetted tub with the tile surround, and the tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. And you do have the privacy glass there. And then the master bathroom has the double vanity with the granite countertops. You have a set of drawers on each side. And then you have your Euro glass door right there. So it's a kind of more of a frameless door, just the hinges. And it's the travertine silver on the floor, the 12 by 24 tile on the walls, and then you have a glass tile accent that goes vertical. Give you a better look with the door actually open, so you have two accent strips and the Moen fixtures, and the tile goes all the way up. Oops, and I forgot the bench, so there's a little bench right there too. And then you have your two walk-in closets on either side of the jetted tub. Pretty decent shelving. And then another one over here. And then your toilet room right there. There is a window, and it does have the fan. And then off of the great room entry on this other side of the home, you have the 3 other bedrooms and a full bathroom. Has the linen cabinet, an upper and a lower. And then granite tops. The same 12 by 24 tile with the travertine accent, and then the glass tile running vertical. And bedroom number 1, not counting the owner's bedroom. And then there's a closet, and that's a walk-in, or no, that's a double door closet, I apologize. Right there. And then down this same hall, there's bedroom number 2. Carpet, ceiling fans, and of course there's a switch for the light and the fan. And then the double door closet as well. And then bedroom number 3, once again with the ceiling fan. And all the windows are a double pane Lowy glass squared type of window. It's like a 366 glass, so it's a little more energy efficient. And then here in the great room, back in the great room before I head to the garage, there is the outlet in the floor. And then I forgot to show you that there's another linen closet, storage closet right here. And then over here is your laundry room. It's got the recessed dryer vent, granite top, a couple cabinets. It's actually a decent size, so you have some more room inside here for additional storage. And then your electrical panel and home run box is right there. And then right across the hall from the laundry is the powder bathroom. And then stepping out into the garage, this is the 2-car garage. That door is 18 feet wide, 8 foot tall. And it has the LiftMaster MyQ. It is a steel-backed insulated garage door. And then there's your water heater. It is plumbed for a water softener, and it's plumbed for a recirculation pump. And then over there is the Big Daddy, the RV garage. This 2-car garage is approximately 22 feet deep. And then the big RV garage, of course, as I said, outside on the front is 23.5 feet wide from wall to wall. and 55 feet deep, going all the way back to the 8x8 roll-up door that does run vertical so that the frame doesn't come in and nail your fifth wheel or motorhome. And then there's your hot and cold over there, and your 50 amp plug right there. And then there's a lot of outlets throughout, plus a man door out to the side of the lot. And then that little pop out is the extra storage pantry with the barn door inside the home. I know a lot of you garage lovers are like, man, what are you doing ruining that garage? Take that out. But then the women say, well, we need a place to store the food. So you can take it out though if you'd like. So out the man door on the side of the RV garage, there's not a ton of space over here. It's 10-foot setback on the side, and that's about what you have. And then the rear setback is 20 feet, and it is 20 feet is what you have here as well. And then 10 feet on the other side, and that's where your propane tank and such are. And then there's the back RV, or not the back RV door, the back garage door, the roll up. So yeah, all in all, to end the video, 2,428 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car attached garage with the attached RV garage. The asking price on this one is $459,900, and today is June 19th, 2019. My name is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. You can find me online at mystghome.com, or you can give me a call on my cell, 435-313-1525. Thank you.